Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make red chili powder. I'll be taking the bad ones out of the chili peppers, plucking out the stem out of the fresh peppers. This is how it looks like when you're done. Now we'll be repeating the process for all of them. This is the final outcome of all the peppers. Next, I'll be drying in the sun for 3 days or more till it becomes dried and crispy, just like this. You can leave for more days if yours isn't dried enough. I place it on my blender and then I cover it and blended it till it becomes powder form. Here's how the results of the powder will look like: smooth and ready to be used. Throw in a can jar. Don't forget to subscribe, like,